guys, my name is Winter, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be starting something new. It's a makeup tutorial. Let me grab my brushes so we can get started. My brushes, so let's get started. By the way, this isn't sponsored or anything. I actually got my makeup, this, at Five Below, and the brushes. So, let's do this. I don't have any blush, so we're going to use this eyeshadow, and I can show you how metallic colors can actually bring out your blush more often than you think. Alright, let's get started now. This I got at Kroger, so it's just Revlon foundation, basic need for any girl who wears makeup. It just has so spongy. Stinks. Sleep. There we go. Now, it's time for the makeup. Well, or I can use my highlighter. Hold on. Here it is. It is very, very white highlighter. It stains sometimes. Well, stains my laptop at times. But I use it as contour. Hold on. See all that? That's all access. Okay, there we go. See? It works perfectly. See? Sorry if you can't see that well. I am still living with my grandma. But anyway, my grandma had a stroke on Sunday. And she's getting better. She is, well, in the rehab ward. And my homecoming is next weekend. So expect a video for my makeup tutorial for my homecoming night. Well, homecoming day, because Grandma wants us to see her. Well, me and my sister. There we go. Boom. Now, this I got at Five Below. It was like $5, and it's amazing. I mean, normally for these kinds of things, it's just expensive. And the best thing about this makeup palette, it's cruelty free. It doesn't even test on animals. And this, it doesn't say. So I'm gonna Yep, it doesn't say if it's cruelty free or not. So, Revlon is out of question for animal lovers. I'm an animal lover. I only used it because it was the only foundation that they had there that matches my skin tone. Anyway, let's get back to this. Now, since I'm wearing my pansexual shirt, I'm going to do this metallic red. It is amazing. Watch. It looks really nice. It is beautiful to use. See? It's amazing. If you see me mess up one eye, it's because I am this one is my bad eye. Looks like I got both of them on perfectly. Now, because this is a Five Below makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using this to complement my eyebrows. Watch. You have to use the eyebrow brush for this. See this? Because my hair is a brownish color, I'm using copper. And then, watch. As the magic happens. See? It's beautiful in every sense. And it makes your eyebrow look fuller. Now this one, I tried to pluck my eyebrows before. Does not work for me. So. Okay. So, I keep it like this because I go like that for my eyebrows. So, this is calming, to be honest. I like putting on makeup. So, I only put on makeup is because everyone at school hurt me. There. Okay, now. This set of makeup isn't from Five Below, but it helps me tremendously. Because I don't have any mascara or eyeliner. See this? This is my bit of a secret weapon for me, so I can make my eyes sparkle a bit. Look. Yes, I do this. I use a smoky eye look palette to help me a bit. No, I don't have setting powder, so don't ask. But anyway, here we go. My last under eye, so I won't look as tired. You know what I'm saying? There. See? Now, time for the black from the smoky eye look palette. See this? And watch. See? It does a bit of a wing because of this. So, I'm gonna get this right here and boom. That's how you get the smoky eye look without any eyeliner. And it's cheaper, you know? It's cheaper not to buy eyeliner, in all honesty, because It's costs a lot of money just for my basic black eyeliner. This isn't sponsored by anything right now. I am going to be a part-time YouTuber right now because of school. Voila. That is how you get perfect eyes like that. But anyway, since this is all Five Below stuff, since I don't have any blush, we're going to use this makeup palette. Well, this eyeshadow palette. And watch this. I'm doing this so I can get it on the whole thing. See? Now, I'm going to use this light pink right here. So I can get it on the whole entire brush. Boom. Boom! See? Since I have a natural blush, I don't need that heavy of a blush. Ah! Oops! Mishaps happen every day. Don't worry. Now, I want to tell you all that no matter who you are or what you do, you are amazing in your own special way. I get bullied a lot, so it's understandable how hard school can be. I mean, adults don't even know how hard school is anymore. They think bullying is a thing of the past, but it's not. I mean, just be you. I need all the help I can get. So, everyone else out there is more beautiful than I am. Boom. And that's how you look awesome with things that are cheaper. Oh, wow. I look like a CoverGirl model. But anyway, I'll see you later, my friends, and stay beautiful as you are right now.